Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you a demo of the application that we are going to build. We are going to build a banking app that creates an account, checks balance, deposit and withdraw. These are the list of the concept that will be covered in the course of this video. We shall look at REST APIs, uses at REST controller, request mapping, get mapping, post mapping, and put mapping. We are going to look at the CRUD operation, create, read, delete, update. We are also going to look at Spring Boot application, managing dependencies, controller annotation, and component scanning, entity management, data persistence, database transaction, exemption handling, custom queries, login, dependency injection, account and transaction management, error response, validation, layered architecture, HTTP status code, response wrapping, Lombok, request and response DTOs. We are also going to look at versioning, ID generation, time management. We are going to look at account activation, custom business logic, entity class, utility class, service layer abstraction, exception customization, native SQL, Java corrections, and API documentation standard. So let me show you the application that we are going to build. So this is the application that we are going to build. So we will begin by creating an account. In this case, you create an account by keying in the account number. So in this case, I will say 103,500,105. Then the name of the account is then the account balance is 1500. Account type will be savings. I will create this account. So this account has been created. If for example I try to create this account twice, it will throw an error. Account exists, account number already exists. This is to prevent creation of duplicate account. After creating an account, I can get a single account, my account information, just key in the account number and it will return the account information related to this account. So you can see that account ID is 52, account status is false. That means that this account is not active. I cannot do any transaction with this account. If I try to do balance inquiry for this particular account, it will fail. Reason being, my account is inactive. Transaction failed. Please activate your account. If I activate my account, now is when I can be able to do balance inquiry because my account is activated. So you can see that my account balance is 1500. I can do another transaction like deposit. So I want to deposit 5,000. So I need to change my account number. So for that particular account, I want to deposit 5,000. So deposit has been successful. So I want to query my balance. So the balance should be 6,500 for this particular account. So which account have I deposited? So balance inquiry, transact, so deposit 105. So if I do balance inquiry for this account number, shall check why it is not updating. Let me try to withdraw some amount. Draw some amount. If I try to withdraw 5,000, there is insufficient fund. But if I try to withdraw 1,000, the transaction should happen successfully. If I now try to query my balance, the balance is 500. So I can also disable an account. Like in this case, I want to disable this account. So basically, this account is now disabled and I cannot be able to do any transaction. Cannot be able to do any transaction. So my account needs to be activated. So basically, the reason why the deposit was not working is because there were some typo in my code. So I will demo how the deposit is working. Other than that, I can be able to get all customers information that are available in my system. If I click on send, so this will bring all the customers that are available into my system. There is a lot of work that needs to be done for us to come up with such kind of application. So let me see the other side of the application. I want to demo the deposit part, and then we are going to jump straight into the code. So make sure that you have a cup of coffee with you, a very fast machine with fast internet connection. I want you to learn by doing, not by. I want you to be an active student, not a passive student. Being a passive student will not help you. So but if you are an active student, you will learn a lot of concept, a lot of things. So this is all accounts. Let me deposit, create an account, transact. If I deposit, first of all, let me activate this account because I think I have disabled this account. Let me activate it for me to be able to do a transaction. Activate, then transact. So I am going to deposit. I'm going to deposit 8,000. Now if I do balance inquiry, can see that now my balance is 85. If I deposit again like 20,000, let me query balance. So my balance will be 28,500. Yes. What about if I try to withdraw or the amount withdraw. Withdraw transaction, and I want to withdraw 40,000. The system should fail because you have insufficient fund. So that is it for the applications that we are going to build. So stay tuned till the end.